Hi everybody, welcome back again to my channel. This is Donna. Today we're just going to do a fun little project. I'm going to be back later to do another poly burlap project, and it's going to be a Christmas poinsettia. I had to look over there at one so I could remember the name of it. Christmas poinsettia out of the poly burlap. But today I just had this cute snowman sign, and I think you've seen me try to use it on wreaths, and I just can't find a wreath that looks good on because they're so big that they overpower the wreath. So I'm going to make a wreath of its own, and we're going to see if we can use that snowman sign as the centerpiece of a little curly wreath. So I'll be right back. I'm going to bring you down to the counter and we'll get started. Hold on. Okay, here we are down at the desk, down at the work surface. And what I've done is take a 14-inch frame, and I've put the ties on the outside just as if I were going to be making a work wreath. And the work wreath would have 10 ties on the outside. And this one wants to slide around, but that's all right. Then I took my snowman sign, and I have zip tied it using crossbars to keep it from twisting around. It has a hole on the top and hole on the bottom, and it's secure. It's not going anywhere. So what I'm going to do is cut 10 ties, 10 pieces of mesh, and I'll bring my roller in here. And this is a really pretty mesh. Look at this. It's a white snowball mesh, but it has iridescent threads in it. It's really pretty. So we're going to cut 10 of these. First I'm going to get a straight edge. And I'll just do 12, I'm going to do 20-inch ruffles. So I do 10, 20, 30. Three. 4. 5. 6. 7. 'Get out of the way. Mesh, mesh, mesh. 8. 9. 10. Okay. Closing up that. I'll put these over here. And we'll bring the snowman back. And see if I can arrange it so you can see me ruffling. Put him here and I'll ruffle right about here. And I'm just going to do a regular ruffle. Going up the middle, pulling it with my fingers. And there's a little line with a snowball on it, so I'm just kind of following that line. And I'm just going to put this in like so. This mesh is quite stiff, actually. Get these to fluff up against each other. Really pretty. It looks like the line of iridescence is green, but it may pick up whatever lights are near it. Oops, lost it. I must tell you, honestly, pulling this mesh is just a little bit painful on the fingers. It seems that it's so stiff that it's almost sharp. This is the one that wants to move around. Well, we'll get it and put it where we want it. So far. Whoops, you can't see him so far. Now either I've got 11 ties or I only cut 9 pieces because I have one less piece than I have ties, which is not a problem. We'll just, oh no, there's one under here, hiding underneath. Two more. One more. Okay, you remember that bow we made the other day with the Easy Bow Maker? Well, I think it adds just the right touch of color to the snowman. And I'm just waiting for my glue gun to heat up, and I've got some snowballs that I'm going to add up here in the mesh. And then I'm just going to take the rest of these and twirl them down. Kind of cute. It's just a little silly something, but it'll look cute hanging on someplace. It's just for me. But I thought that sign was just too cute not to use it somewhere, and yet they're just too overpowering for most of the wreaths that you see out there. I'm going to hang it up for a while and see how I feel about it, and if I need to add more mesh or add more ribbon, I will do that. But for right now, I think he's going to be just cute. And it'll be up against a wall. So let me just see if my curling iron. I don't think I want to use it as a curling iron. Oh, just getting there, but not quite. These are cute. I got these last year. They're actually ornaments, but they have a little iridescent snow on them, which goes with the iridescent snowball mesh. This bow really looks pretty on here with the white. And what I've done is I've tried to pull it kind of to the side so it doesn't block the snowman. You'll be able to see it better when I hang it up on the wall. I don't remember where I got these. They're shatterproof, so if he jumps off the wall, he won't break the snowballs. And of course, they're covered in glitter, which means that I will be covered in glitter. I think one more. There you go. So let me take you up and put him on the wall and we'll see how he looks all dolled up. See you back in a minute. So there you go. I think he's kind of cute for a spur of the moment. What will I do with this sign wreath? I might add a few more ruffles. It's just a matter of putting more pipe cleaners on the outside. But I think he's really cute. His face shows up pretty good. And the mesh, you can read the "Let It Snow" right through it. And I love the bow. It really is adorable. So I'm pleased with it. I am. And I think he'll look cute hanging on a wall somewhere. I'm going to have to get more walls. So anyway, that's it. And I'll be back in just a minute with a few parting words. I hope you've enjoyed this video. There's always something you can do to make a wreath or a Christmas decoration. Doesn't cost much at all. See you back in a minute. So I hope you like that. I think he came out really cute. I'm impressed with him. He'll look cute. It's just nothing super special, and it's nothing that I would sell. But you know, it's fun to make your own Christmas decorations. It's a Dollar Tree form, so that's $1. I had the mesh, and I had the sign, and I had the pipe cleaner, so I think he came out just adorable. I'm going to be back in a few days, as I mentioned earlier, with a Christmas poinsettia, and I'll be working on the middle first, and then I will work on the wreath itself. But before I go, I wanted to thank all of my new subscribers. I've had a lot of new people subscribe and leave me lovely comments, and I do so appreciate them. It's fun to get here and make things with you and try things out, and sometimes they work and sometimes they don't, and that's okay too, because there are no mistakes when you're crafting, just unusual or special projects. So I want to thank everybody who has subscribed. If you like this little video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here and you're just seeing me for the first time, would like to hang around, I do quite a few decorating and home decorating and wreath projects. So hit that subscribe button and the bell, and you'll be notified every time I put a video up. By the way, stay tuned for Friday's Food Fest this week. It's going to be a nice, easy peasy, diet-friendly dessert. So stay tuned for that. That'll be up Friday at 7 o'clock in the morning. In the meantime, everybody have a wonderful afternoon and play nice now. See you later. Bye-bye.